Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturer, Sir Muhammad Syafiz bin Saharan. My name is Nona Jatul Balkis binti Muhammad Dan. I will present about the Explorer, the Fintech initiative Undertook Islamic financial system. What is Fintech? Fintech or financial technology is the term used to describe any technology that delivers financial service through software such as online banking, mobile payment apps, or even cryptocurrency. Fintech also refers to integrations of technology into offerings by financial service companies in order to improve their use and delivery to consumers. Why banks embark into Fintech? This is because the traditional banks had the following issues that lead to fintechs. Firstly, highly regulated and bound to many rules and compliance norms. Secondly, high operating costs due to a large network of branches across the globe. Third one, poor visualization beyond the traditional business lines as they are mostly publicly held companies averting risk propositions. 4. Low involvement of customer in the center of operations. Or number 5 is low investment in value creation from ideas, innovations, and technology. Next is low collaboration with progressive minds to build capabilities and competencies. Other than that, lack of focus on individual profit-making products or service due to the natural approach that apply. Last but not least, difficulties in deciding changes for upgrading or replacing legacy core banking infrastructure built over a long period. Effect on fintechs in Malaysia. Changing the customer behavior by embracing and embarking on digital innovations is open up new ample opportunities for the industry players. Investment account platform, or known as IAP, this virtual multi-sided platform facilities a collection of interesting investment ventures and projects with transparent risk return reward for investor. Thirdly, inclusive fintech accelerator program that aims at solving specific financial pain points in Malaysia's surrounding for key areas like spending, saving, borrowing, and financial planning. The example of fintechs. Firstly, Axiata Digital. Number 2, BigPay. Number 3, CoinGecko. Etherscan, Fantastic, Hello Gold, TMG Digital, Pitch In, Money Match, My Cash Online, or My Cash Online, and many more. There are so many examples of fintechs in Malaysia and globally. Fintechs initiative taken by international Islamic financial institutions. Firstly, through Islamic crowdfunding. They have Beehive, Easy Up, At This Crowd, and many more. For Beehive is the UAE first online Dubai-based marketplace for P2P or peer-to-peer finance. This platform facilitates the access and faster processing of SME loans for the businesses, and it also provides an opportunity for the individual investor to generate returns higher than saving rates in an environment where risks are shared. Secondly, Easy Up. Easy Up was founded in 2014 in Paris, France. It is a platform that focuses on in-day educational projects. The platform allows for everyone to show and make visible their projects and campaign for the investor, so to get investment and funding to convert their dreams into reality. It also provides an opportunity to young entrepreneurs and students for getting funds for promoting ethical and Sharia compliant projects through Islamic and ethical ways. Lastly, Actis Crowd is the first Islamic crowdfunding platform based on the real estate, which offers the facilitation of funds on the real estate projects. Fintech initiative taken by Islamic financial institution in Malaysia. Firstly, they include the investment account platform IAP. The IAP will be able to provide investors with access to a wide range of investment opportunities and to the Islamic bank's new sources of funds. It also supported by a consortium of Islamic bank comprised of Bank Muamalat Malaysia, Bank Islamic, Afin Islamic Bank, Bank Islam Malaysia, Bank Kerjasama Rakyat Malaysia, and Bank Simpanan Nasional. Another online platform that was launched in Malaysia for commodity is Murabahah. The transaction is the Bursa Suq Al-Silah. It is an online platform which was developed by Bursa Malaysia Berhad. This digital suit is a trading platform that use Sharia compliant commodity murabahah and provide the facilitation of murabahah and tawaruk transaction. The next is the ASIC platform is Malaysia first online and digital Sharia compliant platform for personal Islamic banking and finance. This platform claims to provide true halal banking with a completely automated and online fintech platform that permits financial services providers, mainly Islamic banks, to give cash to their customer on a deferred payment basis. ASID has received an approval of Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) and is in accordance with the Accounting and Auditing Organisation for Islamic Financial Institution AIOFI international standard according to its website asic.com. The platform also has been recognized internationally and as an outstanding technologically product. Challenge faced by fintechs. Firstly, the cybercrime in finance. Although banks make their 100% efforts to keep the data safe, it's hard to protect from cybercrime. Next, big data use in finance. The big database offer both opportunities and obstacles for fintech's technology. Thirdly, fintech disruption of financial industry. Calculating the growth potential of any company has become hard. In this scenario, making fintech's application safe and secure is a huge challenge. Furthermore, the blockchain integration in finance are one of the challenges. Next, crossing the digital divide in financial service. Last but not least, AI use in finance. The future of Fintech, financial technology. Firstly, contactless payment is the new payment model. Taking a cue from the COVID-19 situation, where social distancing was one way to avoid the virus, the banking and the payment sectors have geared up for contactless payment. The focus is on cashless payment. It enables instant online payment via cash. Secondly, embedded finance with find many takers. Take the example of the BGs like Amazon and Uber. These are translated in their core areas of operation and the way they have used embedded finance approach to offer their customer delightful experience are worth watching. From payment to loan, insurance to mortgage, companies today are offering embedded service as if they can read the mind of their customer and offer them exactly what they need. Furthermore, financial inclusion as a necessary part of the industry. The pandemic affected most parts of society, but the most affected were the people from poor economic backgrounds. In 2020, some great innovations lead the way for financial inclusion to help the oppressed and the poor. For example, in the Brazil, there was an app in the American neighborhood that ensured that basic income was distributed to the residents there using Mubuka digital currency. The model is important to ensure that there is an all-around development of the community. Next, newer partnerships. The fintech sector is going to expand as new players enter the landscape through robust partnerships. Bank, insurance companies, and asset management companies are all looking at the partnering with fintech companies so that digitalization becomes easier and faster for them. The next is cryptocurrency acceptance. Another major trend expected to catch up this year is the global acceptance of cryptocurrency. For example, the European Bank has taken a step closer toward the design of the digital euro. Public opinion regarding the same is being planned as very soon. They are going to how open Europe is to accepting crypto coins. Last but not least, RegTech and WorldTech. Going a step forward, fintech that stand for financial technology will see the evolution of RegTech or regulatory technology and WealthTech or wealth management technology. In conclusion, to sum up everything that has been stated so far, the rapid growth of fintechs in Islamic finance, there are both opportunity and risk to financial stability that policymakers and regulators should take into consideration. Islamic fintech is an opportunity for the Islamic financial industry in general and for the Muslim entrepreneur in particular.